As a child growing up in Kolbioy village in Badada district of southern Somalia's Lower Juba, Jela dropped out of school at primary level after the civil war broke out and left his village deserted with no social amenities, including schools. Samuel Adam Jelle, 44, is used to being teased by his classmates. He is the oldest student in Form 3 at Tawakal School in the Gahle refugee camp in Dadaab. He is determined to make it in life regardless of his age. At the camp, he got engaged with UNHCR education program and pursued training in tailoring. For 13 years, he has been in the business of tailoring, which has enabled him to take care of his family of 12, 2 wives, 10 children, in addition to supporting his aging mother. Jelle's courage and determination made him become a community leader in the Gahle. This opportunity gave him the chance to learn basic English and mathematics at a private school and also from the training that he was attending. While Jelle was working as a hygiene promotion officer with one of the humanitarian organizations, his supervisor encouraged him to join school to improve his skills and learn on more opportunities. The pressure to do so also emanated from his wives, who had seen Jelle's potential. People are surprised to see me at my age wearing a school uniform and carrying books and going to school rather than working to support my family and children. By enrolling at Tawakal, Jelle is among the very few middle-aged refugees who have taken the bold step to overcome illiteracy by going back to school. He is now growing to be a role model for others of his age.
This is a period. We're starting today and we will finish in another year. Every year is going on. I started class 6. It was at 2014, 2013 like that. When I started the primary, some people they told me, why are you going to go? And that time I was old like this. And the young students will sit together in class and primary. A young kids. I'm not feeling ashamed for that thing. And I moved for that stage. I joined in secondary again. I'm seeing another life is there.
So in a whole year, how much do you spend for food? We write down. How much do you spend for clothes? We write down.
Jelle's leadership skills have not gone without a notice at the school. He is now the class prefect and also acts as a bear council chairperson in the school. He has created a bond with his fellow students and the teachers, and also creates time to share a moment with them after studies.
Bringing me in more income. And we have those ones which are taking out the income. Those which are taking out the income. Those which are taking out the income from the floor, they are called withdrawals. Those which are pumping in more income for them. So here.
Born in a pastoralistic community, Jelle wants to become a veterinary doctor and play a role in handling the livestock from his Somali community. Pastoralism is one of the largest contributors to Somali livelihood, with over 65% of the population engaged in livestock business.
Imports and exports. Injections and withdrawal. What do you mean with? Savings plus taxation is equal to investment plus government. What is this? What is this? What is this? Imports.
I have a 400 shilling balance.
400 balance.
I spend 600. 100 I'm taking the hotel and want to eat breakfast.
You go and take breakfast.
100 shilling, 300 is balance. 100 I want to buy shoes.
100 shoes?
Yeah.
What kind of shoes? Okay, sandals.
Sandals. So 100 shilling at the market. Another 200 shilling I'm saving.
200 shillings you save. So you're finished your year.
Yeah, I'm finishing.
That's your equation. So you
A low moment for Jelle is when he make a mistake at the school and has to face the disciplinary measures put in place. My worst day was back in 2016 when I was Form 1. By then I was a prefect and I locked my class as usual and left the keys with the gatekeeper. The following day, I found another gatekeeper who refused to give me the keys and I got into a spat with him. I got expelled and was told to bring my parents.
Tell us now. Even if they are alive, tomorrow we won't in your parent because we have a parent. So I'm not quarreling that time. I say, tomorrow I will give you my parent. Don't worry. I'm going home. When I went, I finished in my learning, I went home. I telling my wife, I don't have the parent. And teachers tomorrow they wait me, my parent. They were not around here. What can I do? You are my partner. You are my wife. What can I do? She told me, no problem, I'm following you. From now I'm your parent. Because you are my wife. I am your wife. And you are my husband. We are responsible each other. Let us go. And the morning we are following. We came here. So directly I'm going to the office and told Malimo, he asked me, my teacher, where's your parent? Are you bring here? I say yes. Where? Call her. Call them. I call her. When she sit, they ask her, are you a parent for this man? Are you a mother for this man? She say no, I'm not mother. But am I his mother also? Who are you? She say now my wife. And this man his parents, they were not around in camps. So I want to take him in his responsibility because he's my husband. Even if he stands mistake from the office, from the other people, I want to give the apology those people and the office. And my teacher and my deputy principal was one. And they take all the advice from her. And they release me. He told me, someone, you got your glass?
and this is the equation.
Jelle is worried that the Dadaab refugee complex may close down before he completes his education. He and his children, two of whom are in school, are not likely to get the free education they now enjoy if they go back home to Somalia. Despite this harsh reality, Jelle is still proud to be a student and determined to finish his education in the camp. He has a vision of playing a key role in rebuilding his country. Being a refugee for more than 25 years is a curse, but my Somali leaders are on the right track to good governance. As a refugee, we are eager to get peace and self-dependence, socially and politically, as soon as it's possible. My firstborn is in class 8, and when he's going to join the secondary level, I will have finished it. And inshallah, I want to be a teacher.
Sometimes I can cook the food when she's sick. I can feed the water from the tap stand. I take the water. Sometimes I take in my children the hospital when they're sick. I'm carrying them. And I'm helping my wife. I'm with her always. I'm supporting my children. And when they were going to madrasas, I'm following them. When they were going to schools, I'm following them. When the teachers they call, they say, go and call your parent. I'm always attending the school for the parents.
رحمن ذكر أي رحمن كنت تعالى ذكر تعالى صاصر كف أمان لا رحمن لي رحمن يمكن تعالى ورحمن أو رحمن